In this demo, I'll show you how to schedule a post in Buffer. Start by clicking New, then Post from the top of your dashboard to open Buffer's Composer. From here, select the social channels you'd like to post to by clicking their icons, or select several of them at once by using one of your channel groups. Let's type out our post content. If you need a hand, feel free to call on the AI assistant. From here, let's add some media. If you have an image or video on hand, you can drag and drop it, or upload it from your computer. Otherwise, feel free to use one of our many media integrations. I'm going to choose an image from Unsplash. Once finished, click the button Customize for each network to tailor text or media separately for each of your channels. For Instagram, I'll write a note about which song I want to add once it hits Instagram. Since you can't add music through Buffer due to API limitations, I'll set my post to notify me so it pings me when it's time to post. When it does, I'll click on the notification and follow the instructions to finish publishing my post. Now let's look at LinkedIn. I think I'm going to add a first comment. It'll publish at the same time as my post, which is handy since I'm sharing a link that my followers can visit to learn more about this topic. It looks like we're ready to officially schedule our post. Let's choose one of our scheduling options. Next Available seats the post after anything that's already been scheduled. Prioritize sends it to the top of the list of scheduled posts. Set Date and Time allows you to pick the exact time you'd like to publish the post. This is especially helpful if it needs to be timed in preparation for a holiday or another event. Now publishes the post immediately. And a quick note that if you don't have a posting schedule set up within your channel settings, the Next Available and Prioritize buttons won't appear in this list. As you can see at the top, you can set your default preference in your account settings. If you have a normal scheduling routine, this will save you a couple of clicks. Alright, from here we'll click the Schedule Post button. Although note that you can also use this Schedule Post plus create another button if you have another post concept ready to go. You now have the basics. Free plan users can have up to 10 scheduled posts in the queue at one time, while paid plan users can have up to 5,000 posts sitting in their queue at once. If you need help at any time, click on the question mark in the lower right-hand corner of your dashboard or from the Help Center.